Hey, I'm Brad Pagoota, and today we'll be counting down my top 10 picks for my favorite movies. Hope you enjoy. So today, to start off our list at number 10, I have Christopher Nolan's final installment in the Dark Knight trilogy, The Dark Knight Rises. This one sees Christian Bale suit up for his last performance as Batman alongside Tom Hardy's Bane. In my opinion, I think it brings a perfect end to the Dark Knight trilogy. Now for number 9 on our list, I have the film that really brought Quentin Tarantino to prominence with his classic Pulp Fiction. This has a slew of talent ranging from John Travolta, Sam Jackson, to Bruce Willis and Uma Thurman. And I really think it showcases his ability to tell a non-linear story in only a way that Quentin Tarantino really can. Number 8 on our list, I have Birdman, or The Unexpected Virtue of Ignorance. This one stars Michael Keaton alongside Edward Norton, as Keaton plays a washed-up actor desperately trying to make it back to the limelight. We watch as his character slowly descends into mental instability. His performance was enough to get awarded the Best Actor Oscar, along with Best Picture for Birdman. For number 7 on our list, I have American Psycho, starring Christian Bale, who really brings out the acting chops in this one, as he plays serial killer Patrick Bateman, who struggles to keep his white-collar daily job in balance with his nightly bloodlust. So Michael Fassbender and a giant papier-mâché head. What could go wrong? Number 6 on our list is Frank. This quirky dark comedy follows Michael Fassbender, who plays the frontman of a very peculiar band and also wears a giant papier-mâché head throughout the duration of the film. If you don't believe me, you should go see it. This one is great. Number 5 on our list is Martin Scorsese's psychological thriller Shutter Island. This is one of my favorites, obviously because it's on the list, am I right? This one has Leonardo DiCaprio and Mark Ruffalo as they explore an insane asylum. It really has an eerie feeling to it, and that's why I really enjoy this film. So we're over halfway there on our list. Coming in at number 4 is Chronicle. Now, have you ever wondered what it'd be like to have telekinetic powers? Well, if you check out this movie, you might get to see what that's like. This is about 3 teenage high schoolers who discover that they have telekinetic powers, and believe me, things go wrong. So you should check it out at number 4. So we're getting there. We're down to our top 3. Coming in at number 3 is the second Tarantino film on our list, Django Unchained. Now this might be my favorite Tarantino film, actually. This stars Jamie Foxx in the title role as Django, Christoph Waltz, and Leonardo DiCaprio, who I think gives one of his most out-of-the-box performances. So coming in at number 2 is my all-time favorite Disney Pixar movie, Toy Story. This one really takes me back to my childhood. I probably burned a hole in this VHS because I played it every single day at my house almost. Now I know what you're thinking, this seems a little weird considering all the other movies I just mentioned, but this one really brings me back to being a kid, and it's just one of my favorite movies, and that's why it's number 2 on our list. So I know you're tired of waiting. Number 1 on our list, the final one, is The Dark Knight. This is my all-time favorite movie. This one is Christopher Nolan's 2008 follow-up to Batman Begins, and what more can you say than Heath Ledger's Joker? It just stole the whole thing. That's probably my favorite part of the movie, maybe my favorite acting performance of all time. Well, that's it for our list. I hope you had a great time watching and sitting down talking movies for a little bit. I'll see you next time. I'm Brad Pagoota.